Hi there, today I'm going to explore the idea of using technology to improve mathematics in the classroom. I found an article that is called Using Math Apps for Improving Student Learning, an Exploratory Study in an Inclusive 4th Grade Classroom by Zhang, Tressel, Gallegos, and Assam. The study wanted to show, does using apps as a supplement to classroom learning help those struggling learners to improve? What are the benefits, and how can this be implemented in your classroom? So does using apps as a supplement to classroom learning help those struggling to improve? It was found that students were able to complete tasks at their own pace and with instant results, which furthered their understanding. Improvements were noted at the first and second post-tests. The concepts were solidified through learning this way. So what are the benefits? Students focused on the task for longer periods of time because of the interest level. Most apps are based on their level of understanding and increase the intensity of the questions as students are learning. And they are able to see how to correct their mistakes because of the feedback that comes right away. How can these be implemented in your classroom? Well, in my classroom, I have students on Math Prodigy that are able to do a pre-test which assesses what they need to work on. All of the work in math that is facilitated through a game setting where they solve math problems and clues to move into different levels to explore. As a teacher, I am able to set up assignments or questions that are relevant to what we are focusing on. Let's explore how Math Prodigy works. Here I am. I was able to create my own character. Now I pick a level. As you can see, it takes the student through a world. And I can pick a name. They meet up with characters along the way who bring with them a battle. And then you have a shape and something that you need to work on. As you can see, this continues on different levels and different categories until they are through the battle. By creating this game, students are engaged and learning and not always realizing that they are learning. They are just trying to win the battles. It is progressive, so once they get a concept, they move on to harder concepts. So technology can support learning in many ways and encourage students to understand things differently and see them in real life situations.